Do you want to live in Brickell? Maybe you're relocating from another state and you're unsure of what building to look into. And maybe you have a healthy budget. And if so, then this video is definitely for you. Brickell Flatiron is one of the best condos in the Brickell area and one of my top choices all around. There are so many reasons as to why I consider this to be a top contender, but my hopes are that by the end of this video, it will encapsulate what some of those reasons are. This luxury 1-bedroom, 2-bath was listed for rent for $5,300 per month, which even for Miami standards, that's a pretty heavy price tag. But the question is it worth it? Well, stick around to the end of this video where I can show you what this property was renting for just last year for comparison's sake, and then you guys will be the judge if the major price increase is justified or not. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section below about Brickell and Brickell Flatiron, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more weekly real estate content. And with that, let's get started with today's tour. Enjoy. Thank you for making it this far. Remember that if you'd like to continue to see more Miami real estate property tour videos, you can always click on the playlist or any of the videos that are going to pop here on screen. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour and Miami real estate content. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week. Take care and God bless.